Reading Pioneers is proud to present Biscuit's Valentine's Day. Story by Alyssa Capucilli. Pictures by Pat Shories. "I'm almost finished making our Valentines, Biscuit," said the little girl. "And just in time. Today is Valentine's Day. Woof, woof." "Are you ready to deliver our Valentine's, Biscuit?" Woof. "Wait for me, Biscuit." Woof, woof. "Funny puppy. You have some special Valentines to deliver too. Here's Daisy. Woof, woof. Meow. Special delivery from Biscuit. Happy Valentine's Day, Daisy." "Is Puddles home?" Woof, woof. Bow wow. "Happy Valentine's Day, Puddles." "Let's see if Grandma and Grandpa are home." Woof, woof. "Silly puppy, these cookies aren't for you. Happy Valentine's Day." "Let's hurry home and check our mailbox, Biscuit." Woof. "Look, Biscuit! Valentine's for both of us!" Woof, woof. "Biscuit, where did you go? There's one more. I made a special Valentine for you." Woof, woof. "Sweet puppy, I love you. Happy Valentine's Day, Biscuit." Thank you, readers, for joining us today to celebrate Valentine's Day with Biscuit. I hope you enjoyed this story and click the like button for support. My question to you is, what do you do for Valentine's Day? Here in Korea, girls are supposed to give chocolates to boys, and then 1 month later, the boys give something to the girls in return. So comment below the things you like to do on Valentine's Day, and don't forget to share the love. If you're interested in other stories, just message me or leave a comment of a book you like. If you like this one and want to check out more in our library, click on any of the boxes to read another Valentine story or some of our more recent videos. Thanks again, everyone, for reading along with us, and as always, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye-bye.